Here's problem 17 from the 2022 AMC 8. For an even positive integer n, the double factorial, written n with 2 exclamation points, is the product of all the even integers from 2 up to n. For example, 8 double factorial equals 2 times 4 times 6 times 8. What is the units digit of the sum? 2 double factorial plus 4 double factorial plus 6 double factorial, and so on, all the way up to 2022 double factorial? You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. The key idea is to look at the units digit of each term. Notice that as soon as n reaches 10 or more, the product includes the number 10 itself. Because 10 is one of the even numbers being multiplied, anything multiplied by 10 ends in a 0. So every term from 10 double factorial onward has a units digit of 0. And adds nothing to the units digit of the sum. All those terms disappear. That leaves only the first 4 terms. 2 double factorial is 2. 4 double factorial is 2 times 4, which is 8. 6 double factorial is 2 times 4 times 6, which is 48, ending in 8. And 8 double factorial is 2 times 4 times 6 times 8, which is 384, ending in 4. So we add the units digits. 2 plus 8 plus 8 plus 4 equals 22. The units digit of 22 is 2. So the units digit of the whole sum is 2. The answer is 2.